Gary Axelbank here. We are doing a little, this is the Bronx at noon, stuck here at 96th Street, waiting for the #1 train. We've seen maybe 15 expresses. I'm waiting for the #1. Maybe I can talk to some people and see what they think about what's been going on over here. Hey, can I ask you what you think about the delays of the trains? Do you ride this train a lot?
Yeah.
And what is it on time a lot, or it's not on time a lot, or what do you think?
It depends. Sometimes they're delayed. Yeah, it happens a lot.
What do you think about this?
It's annoying.
It's a little bit annoying?
Yeah.
Are you hot?
Yeah,
It's a little bit hot down here too. All right, who else wants to talk? What do you think? What do you think? You don't want to talk? You want to talk in Spanish and Espanol? No, he doesn't want to talk to me. What do you think about the delays? Everybody's scared to talk. What do you think about the delays on the train? It's annoying, right? I guess it's too annoying for anybody who wants to talk. So you can take a look here. People are pretty pissed off, and they've been waiting. I don't know. They just announced that maybe in 12 minutes we'll get a train. I'm hot. The people here are hot. That's New York, all right? Just hang out and do the best you can. Well, this is the second #1 train that I'll let go by because I can't kind of fit into the train. Look, can you see how many people are squashed in there? Everybody's squashed in that train. That's what's going on here in New York right now. And a lot of people are asking who's responsible. I don't really care who's responsible. I just want to see us get on the train so I can get home after a long, hot day in Manhattan. So let's see, does anybody else want to talk to me? I don't know if there's people who want to talk. Most of the people are just New Yorkers and they don't trust me or they don't trust anybody else, but I can tell you this is very, very annoying. Hey, can I ask you about the trains? You upset about the trains?
Every day.
Tell me.
Every single day I'm late. When I come into the Long Island Railroad, I have to come in an hour early because the train that would get me there on time is 15 minutes late every single day.
And so now you're
and
going
now
up north?
I'm late to class
Where are you
because
going?
of the Long Island Railroad and now this.
So you got like the deadly combo.
Every single day. I have to leave my house an hour earlier than I need to.
That's insane.
Just to be able to be on time.
And where are you going to school?
Columbia.
Oh, to Columbia, so
Yeah.
it's not even that. I tell you the
but I'm
truth,
sitting here.
get out of here.
Yeah, no. Every day. Every day. I have to leave my son an hour earlier than I need to. I have to get up an hour earlier than I need to. I have to do everything an hour earlier because the train that should get me there on time always makes me late. Because it's never on time, ever. Every day. The 2:13 train leaving Jamaica Station, Long Island Railroad, always late.
And where are you from?
Long Island.
Oh, of course.
Well, not originally.
Yeah, that's all right. Hey, thanks so much. All right, well, that's what we got here in New York right now. This is the Bronx, or Manhattan, or New York. All right, now they're saying that there's a #1 train coming in. I guess you could see it coming in. And let's see if there's enough room for me to get in. There's about 1 million people here. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit in this. I guess we're all going to squeeze, and we're going to try and do it. This poor woman's trying to get out. All right, there she goes. She got out. But, oh, some other guy's getting out. That means there may be a shot for the rest of us. Because if they get out, we may get a chance to get in. We'll find out in a second. All right, I think we're going to do it. I think there's enough room now for all of us to get in. Here we go.
Guys, excuse me.
I'll tell you, I'm holding on to my bag. Of course, this is what you got to do on the trains. This is fun. This is great. You're getting close to my neighbors here. Alright, I guess I'm in the train. It's a little cooler in here than it was on that track.
Jump in the front section, please. You're holding us up.
Yeah, I know. They're holding us up.
Wait for the train behind us.
There you go. 40,000 people in one car. It's kind of nice. Everybody getting nice and close to each other.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the front section.
I guess I'm going to sign off because I think I'm finally on my way home after about 30, 45 minutes. And the conductor's just yelling at us. It's nice. It's a nice way to be.